we want to do with the Giant is give back to the city. We want to bring people back into the city. It's lost an awful lot of people since the riots and since COVID. And you know, from my experience, 40 years in the centre of the city, it really needs something big. It really needs something mega, and we think we've got it in the Giant project.
Fealtan, there you have mega project, big project. No money from the City Council needed. Huge boost for the city. Do you support it?
No. Look, it's certainly an idea, but I don't see how it benefits Dublin. I don't see how it benefits the people of Dublin. I think Dubliners really need world-class facilities. We're missing really good amenities for people in Dublin Central, and what we need with one of the last bits of public space left in the city centre is a world-class amenity for the people.
Is that not a world-class facility and
a world-class amenity that benefits people who live here, as opposed to aimed at almost entirely, I believe, at tourists?